Are you looking to take your TikTok videos to the next level? In this video, I will show you how to blur your background for a more polished look. With just a few simple steps, you can make your videos look more professional and impress your followers. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to start blurring. So the thing with TikTok is that there are no good effects or filters to blur your background within the TikTok app. So, in order to blur your background, you have to exit out of the TikTok app and head over to the Google Play Store. Once you are on the Play Store, tap on this search bar up top and type in Photoshop Express Photo Editor. You have to download this app, and it will allow you to edit your photos. So what you want to do next is take a picture of your background with your normal built-in camera app and then open up Photoshop. I'm going to walk you through how to blur your background using this app. So once you are on the Photoshop app, you have to log in with Google, Facebook, or Adobe ID. After that, select the photo of your background and then tap on these two sliders looking icon at the bottom right of the screen. And then simply tap on Blur. So right now it is set to radial blur. Change it to full blur and move this slider to increase the blur strength to your liking, then tap on Next at the top right corner. And tap on Save to Gallery, and it will save this blurred background image to your device. So now what you want to do next is go back to the TikTok app. Tap on this plus icon at the bottom middle of the screen. Tap on Effects, and then tap this magnifying icon over here. And then search for green screen. After that, tap on this plus icon on the left side of the screen. And you'll want to select the blurred background. So now what you want to do next is take your phone closer to your face and record the TikTok video, and the background will be blurred. Just make sure you have good lighting, or else this might not look that good. So that wraps up this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.